The problem some marriages they get today be say, oga no dey talk truth, madam no dey talk truth. I dey tell you, this kind thing na be say the family no dey go well. Why? Because the marriage is not, there is no transparency in that marriage, there is no honesty in that marriage, there is no truthfulness in that marriage. This thing dey cause gbege, very big wahala on a daily basis on some marriages. You understand? But we just want to ask you, comment below, why some men or some women in their marriage, they don't like telling each other the truth. Why? Your husband, when you marry, for better for worse, your husband,
you be hiding things for him.
They hide things for him. He go ask you questions. You know, he they lie.
Your wife will ask you questions.
They lie. No transparency. He good.
He no good.
He good.
He no good.
No, tell us he good.
So comment on the
tell
comment
us if he
section.
good. Because the same way we dey talk now, we know what to make with the talk, and we don't receive plenty messages. Madam they complain say, oh, my oga, if you come on that place where you go, you know if he tell you the truth, how you take waka. The same thing oga, my wife at the way where they look at me. See my tell me something. The truth is that if both of you trust each other, if you don't have trust issue, if you believe in each other, you trust each other, there is transparency in your marriage. Even if your husband go out there, your mind will not be beating like motor we don't knock engine.
Even if you see your wife with another man
discussing,
you not even panic.
Good. No, even panic. Some women will be like, because of the trust is not there, the truthfulness is not there, that marriage is not transparent.
Their mind will be like,
this man.
I don't suspect this man.
If you don't go out, maybe something will happen along the way. Maybe stay like past the hours when they don't listen another
thing. Or you call the number no go.
You think saying they with another, your mind saying they with woman. The man go think saying don't go see him boyfriend.
No, sometimes network can delay or network can call as in stop, as we know now.
So what we are trying to let you know is that transparency and honesty, they are very, very important in marriage. If you want your marriage to last, you and your partner can do what? Try on this. Even if you have not been doing it, work on it. Start working on transparency and honesty.
Being honest to each other.
Important. Be honest to your husband.
A strong and successful marriage.
Na marriage.
Na-agụ ibu
n'eziokwu. Ihe nwere ọtụtụ nsisi mee. Even if you made a mistake.
I remember what my husband used to tell me. He used to tell me that I will not get into trouble.
For telling me the truth.
For telling him the truth. Yes. And I have not gotten into trouble.
You will never go into trouble for telling me.
It's better that you say the truth.
It's better.
And let whatever that want to happen.
Yes.
Make sure that your mind is clear. I mean, telling the truth will promote trust.
Exactly. Because not maybe you just I just lie for him. Even if you want to come collect money from your husband, you go lie.
Still lie.
If the man will come, no problem don't start. Now so you take my money the other day. Now so you tell me say want go do this and buy this, and that's the way you open your mind. Sometimes it will be like, if I tell him the truth, you know go give me. Why can't you call him? Mona, sit down, talk about this thing first. Tell him say you don't want to be telling lies. You are tired of telling lies. Just tell them, say, I want to be telling you the truth. And I want you also to be telling me the truth. I don't know why you go marry a person where you don't trust. I don't understand. So maybe that time when you say, because that time, you know, tell me say, you know, say the girl or your woman, they lie the time when they dead, you still go in.
No.
You understand?
Yes.
That means you believe that your wife, your husband is telling you the truth. That is why both of you marry. Then why after the marriage, when they lie to each other?
When they lie.
So what we are trying to let you know is that be transparent and honest. Even if you're wrong, even if you made mistake, no matter anything, tell them, see how this thing be. Even if it involves both in monetary aspects. Even if you want anything you are doing, even if you are going out.
Even if you cheat.
Yes, tell the truth. Say, I don't cheat today.
but we are not encouraging
We are
cheating.
not at all. No.
We are not encouraging cheating, but in maybe something or something like that, something key something, just be open
honest.
Be open to your partner.
Be honest.
No matter what. Be honest to your partner. See what I do.
Even if the business.
Say the reason why you do.
Some even in the business, they don't even their partners don't even understand. You'll be doing corny business, but when you got into trouble with that same business, you now start calling your wife. Your wife will be kind of, I don't.
Even then, it's not only on men. Some women do many things
same thing
without letting their husbands know.
No.
Okay, because I remember one
some will be like their friends. We even know what they are doing past their partner.
I remember this woman. That woman, I think she don't want to give birth again. I think they are giving birth to like 4 or 5 children.
Okay.
No, she don't want to give birth again, and she wants to do family planning, but she refused to tell the husband. But it's not in the agreement for her to do family planning. Now she went with her friend behind the husband and did the family planning. Unfortunately to her, the thing caused her a very big problem that she was bleeding. This woman bleed, but instead, at the point of that, at the point of death, she still refused to tell the husband what happened. The husband was spending money, carrying her from one hospital to another. As in spending money buying medicine so the bleeding will stop, but she's afraid to tell the open up because of this family planning that I did. That was what happened. Unfortunately, she died. So it was her friend that she went the lady that she went to do the family planning with was the one that come out to say what killed this woman. So do you see to that? So it's very, very important that in every marriage, both man and woman always be open. Be open to your partner.
Be transparent and honest is very important.
It's very, very important.
Transparency and honesty
because it promotes trust, and trust is the key to love.
Yes.
Do you get? So being open, being honest to your partner, and it promotes that love. It made that love strong.
To be very strong.
Even if someone goes, if you go out there and someone comes to gossip to your partner,
your
see what you
do. When you come back first. Now
your husband will be
when they trust it, yeah, even if you go person is giving you false news against your partner, you be like, don't worry, and you come back. So okay. So my people. We love you guys so much, and we really want you to have and enjoy a successful marriage. Okay, that's why we are doing this almost on a daily basis. We bring out our time, pushing out content for you people. All right, we love you people so much. Okay, we love you people so much. So if you're enjoying our video, drop your comment, share our videos, hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube button, smash it.
That red triangular smash it. You see there.
So promise yourself today that from today henceforth, okay, you want to be telling you the truth. You can watch this video together with your spouse. Yeah.
And all of our video, not only this one, because we have that's encouraging
and more to come.
Yes. So turn your notification bell on so that anytime we drop a new video, any update like this,
you can
YouTube will keep on telling you, or Facebook will also
notify you.
Just follow, subscribe.
We are still on TikTok, we are still on Instagram. The same name, MichelWisdom and HappyNancy.
See you.
The next video. Bye.